In this lesson, we're going to make a bar graph using an Excel spreadsheet. We're going to make a bar graph using an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to use some of the numbers that I've used before. We're going to use a test score. So the first thing we have to do is give it a title. We're going to call it test scores. Well, let's say average. Average test scores. We're just going to type into one of the cells. I just typed into C11, type into a random cell, and let's give it the data we're going to use is going to be the test scores that we've used. We're going to use 100, go to the next cell, type 90, go to the next cell, type 80, go to the next cell, type 80, 190, 80, 80. Let's try one more. Let's use 70 and 65. So the data that we used was 100, 90, 90, 80, 70, and 65. To the left of 100, in the row, we're going to just type scores. We're going to type scores. Above each score, we're going to type the test number. The first one was test number 1. Test number 2. Test number 3. Test number 4. Test number 5. Test number 6. I'm going to create some space, so I just highlighted the 2 rows up top. You know what? Let's not worry about that. Let's do this. Let's highlight the row, highlight the cell right above scores. Hold down your left click. Hold down your right click, and let's highlight the scores and the titles of the scores, being the test numbers 1 through 6, and the scores. We're going to highlight. Then we're just going to go up to the top, and we're going to go to Insert. We go to Insert, we can see the graph, the different types of charts that we can use. Just click it, and we're going to use something real simple. The first one, which is in the second one, which is in 2D, we're just going to click that, and voila, there we have it. We have a graph or a bar chart of our test scores. Test numbers 1 through 6, the scores, and the scores range anywhere from 0 to 100, and our scores range from a 65, as we see here, and a 100, as we see here. And that's it. It's pretty simple. That's how we create a spreadsheet for our bar charts.